Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix AI DJ not showing on Spotify. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to get AI DJ on Spotify, first of all you have to make sure that you are using latest version of Spotify. For that you have to open App Store and there you have to search for Spotify and make sure that you don't have any pending update there. If you have, just simply have to update your app. Once you have updated your app, just simply you have to launch that app, and you can easily see little icon of music here, but it's not showing for me. So guys, if it's not showing for you, just simply have to go to the search icon. Now from here guys, just simply have to search for AI DJ. Now you can easily view here AI DJ option. Okay guys, just simply you can see here the playlist, here the artist, here is profile. You can also see here the profile. Just simply have to go to playlist option. So wait some second from here guys. Let me tell you that if AI DJ is not showing in search, then you have to go to premium and just simply you have to subscribe premium from AI, and you can easily get AI DJ on Spotify. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.